Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I have a 2 for Tuesday homophone lesson for you today. Homophones are words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spellings and different meanings. The words today are baste, which means to moisten food while cooking, and baste, which means founded or established on. 4 sounds today. Let's start with that B sound. B. Lips pressed together, then open up, air puffs out. Move to the A, and to do that, open wide and then move to a smile. While you do that, the tip of your tongue is going to start low, back of the tongue is going to be pulled high up, and then your tongue will move to flat in the mouth. A, A, A. Next, add that S sound, S. Tip of the tongue is either pointed down or behind the top front teeth. Air is going to continuously move out of your mouth and then touch the tip of the tongue to the back of the top front teeth where the teeth and the skin meet on the roof of your mouth for that T sound. T. Let's put it all together. Baste, 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 baste. And now for a sentence. Based on the recipe, you need to baste the turkey. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please share this with your friends. Sign up for our newsletter so you never miss a lesson. That will be delivered to your inbox every Friday with a recap of the week before. And if you loved this, please give us a like and share this with your friends. Thanks so much, everyone. Have an amazing day.